My name is Melissa Bickett, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon that does sports medicine at OrthoUnited. So I'm initially from Akron, and my parents still live there. My little brother lives there. Part of the reason I came down to Stark County is because I saw a need for especially sports medicine like hip arthroscopy. I'm actually still the only person that does hip arthroscopy in Stark County, and so I came down here because there was definitely a need to expand some of the surgical services that were available here, but it was still close enough to family that I can easily get back up to them, and I've made a lot of friends here since. So to the patient that's still hurting and then is afraid or doesn't want to come in and see a doctor, or it's not bothering them enough, I say to them that my specialty and my view of what I do is I'm not a life-saving surgeon. I do quality of life. And if your pain is bothering you enough that it's really interfering with your quality of life, then come in. There are so many other things that we can do besides just orthopedic surgery. So here at OrthoUnited, and one of the reasons I like working here is because everything is available in-house. What I tell people is all the way from the experience of, little Timmy hurts his ankle, he can come into Express, get an x-ray and stat care, then they're referred to me, I'm able to see them, and whether it's a cast, splint, whatever treatment, brace is needed, we can continue that process here. You're not traveling hundreds of miles to get another test or something that needs to be done. So when I talk with my patients about surgery, I usually recommend orthopedic surgery centers, especially here at OrthoUnited, because we focus on only orthopedic care. Pretty much what it comes down to is we see the same things over and over and over again. It's never a surprise. It's never been seen before. They're not scrambling to find stuff that they may not have in-house. And I would tell you that we care about our patients and we try to take the best care of every single one. It's very empowering to see post-operative patients happy and getting back to what they want to do. It's part of the reason why I'm an orthopedic surgeon, because if you didn't get people back to what they wanted to be, obviously they'd be sad, they'd be disappointed, but the majority of patients are very happy in getting back to what they want to do, and how that makes me feel is satisfied and happy with being an orthopedic surgeon. I think OrthoUnited is excelling with the amount of orthopedic surgeons we have and services, and I think coming to Stark County, to this area in particular, you're going to get some of the best treatment around. Being an athlete myself, I deeply understand how hard it is sometimes if you have an injury to not be able to do your sport. And so as an orthopedic surgeon, part of my being, part of my mission is to get athletes back to what they can do. Or if it's therapy, if it's surgical, whatever it is, I'm there through the journey to help support them. In terms of up-to-date new technology, I always try to stay on the more leading edge. I always tell people you don't want to be the first one to do it, but neither do you want to be the last. Part of the reason why I love being at OrthoUnited in Stark County is because when I'm out and about, I see sometimes my patients out running, I see them shopping, I see them doing the activities that they wanted to get back and do. And I find comfort in knowing that I helped them get back to what they wanted to do.